All right, boys and girls, welcome back for a delayed start. I hope this is working. To the drive-thru. Shout out to Positive Wednesday. It works when nothing else does. So, lateral area, okay? Where have you heard this word lateral before? Well, maybe you play basketball. And you're trying to play better defense, and your coach tells you that you need to work on your lateral movement, okay? Well, that means he or she is telling that you need to be faster when you move side to side, okay? What about your lat muscles? Uh-oh. Oh, gosh. Pretend you have hands. Okay, your lat muscles, where are they? They are right over here. Those are your lateral muscles, your lats. Okay? So, what does lateral mean? It just means sides. Okay? So, the lateral area of a prism and of a cylinder can easily be calculated, but before we get to that, let me explain some things to you real quick. I'll do my best. Okay. So, let's say you've got a rectangular prism. Okay, well, the lateral area is the area of everything that is not included in the base. So it's that, and it's the back. Okay, it's not the top and the bottom. Okay, so if we went back to that same square prism, and let's say we took the sides of it, ignoring the top, and we snipped it right here on this corner. And then we unfolded it. It would look like a big rectangle that had a snip here and a snip here, and then it would have like 1, 2, let's see, 3 creases. Well, notice the height of all of these rectangles is all the same. It's the same thing as this height right there. And the perimeter of the base would just be this. Okay? So now hopefully you know your lateral area formula for a prism. Okay? For a lateral area of a prism is perimeter times height. Okay? Well, instead, what if this thing was not a rectangular prism? What if it was a cylinder? Well, what if we did the same thing? Okay? So we want to find the area of everything that is not a circle. So we cut our cylinder right there. Imagine cutting a pop can, and then you unfold this thing. Well, it would look exactly the same with just one exception. It wouldn't have any folds on it. It would all be bent, but when you ironed it out, you would still have something that had the same height everywhere around. But now, what would we call this? We call it the perimeter. Well, hold on. We don't usually refer to perimeter and circles. What's the perimeter of a circle? It's the circumference. And how do you find the circumference? Pi d or 2 pi r. Okay? So, that means that the lateral area, slow goings today, the lateral area of a cylinder is either pi d times h, or it's 2 pi r times h. And that's your video. Boom!